this is Gabby Tech, and today I'll present you one very special review. Before that, I want to remind you to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Let's start. Today we have something very special. Ta-da! That's GoPro 8 Hero. The most amazing GoPro in the planet. It's very nice, and special thanks to my friend Asen that he gave it to me for this review. He knows a lot about it, but I will explain whatever I can. You see, it's very nice bag. By the way, the bag is not original. It's a sticker. I know you got deceived also. Let's open, let's see what there is inside. This is unboxing. Okay, here we have the GoPro itself. That's the GoPro. You see, little squarish cutie, very beautiful one. There are some specifications new that are making it different from the 7th generation. For example, that part here is a little bit more upfront. Then, of course, if you buy just GoPro, you just receive this and one USB Type 2 cable. Very sad. Very sad. But if you're rich and if you sold some kidneys, you can get the special mods next to it. Let's start and I will show you some of them. First, this is the extra battery package. Here, this package comes with one extra battery. You have one battery for the GoPro, but when you buy this, I don't know how much it costs exactly, but when you buy it, you receive one more battery. Let me show it to you here. Okay, this is, I remembered, it's 70 euro. This, and you receive one more extra battery for the GoPro. Here you have one coming with the GoPro itself, and if you get that package, you receive one more. Then that means totally 2 batteries, because you know, when you are filming actively with the GoPro, and it won't last more than 2 hours, and if you're somewhere you want to do a little bit longer footage or time lapse, you need extra battery in the package. Then we continue. This is for the head. You know, when you drive a bike and you want to be cool and film the road with your GoPro, you just get this. It's written GoPro on it. It's special, you can regulate it in a special way. It has silicone here from inside, so it wouldn't slide on your head. Like, imagine if you're bald and it just slides in your head if you didn't have these silicones inside. And here is the part where you attach your GoPro. It's like this, you put it like this. Very nice. This is the, it costs around 40 leva. None of the accessories is less than 20 euro, just so you know. That's why I tell you, prepare your kidneys. Then we have this special attachment. You attach the camera here, then you attach this here, and you put it on your helmet. Here on Agu. Agu can have GoPro. Yay, Agu! Do you want GoPro, baby? Then we continue with the special GoPro case. If you want to be cool, you put it on your neck, for example, like this. Look, I have a GoPro, bro. I have a GoPro, girl. Very nice. This is, you know, because if you just get the GoPro and you don't get any accessories next to it, it's very dangerous. This is a little bit fragile. It's not like the 7th generation or the 4th generation. It's fragile, it can actually break, and I advise you to get a protector also, like glass protector for the GoPro, because in some consequences it can break. Best bundle you can get is a case and a protector at once, because you think it may not protect, but at some point little bit it protects, at least from scratches and stuff like this. Then we continue. Here is my favorite part. That's the little cute tripod. That's a tripod. It's very cute. Look at it. It's best if it stays on a flat surface, because it can cause damage to the GoPro if it doesn't. Here the GoPro, as every GoPro, has these special legs. In this model they can go back to the GoPro and it wouldn't look very strange like this all the time. So it's very handy to hold it in your hand with no problems. With these special legs you attach it here. Ta-da! GoPro on a tripod. It's so cute, right? So cute for $600. Then you have, wow, one cable that comes with the GoPro and one more cable that comes with the charging case, with the battery case. And what is it left? Your SD card. It's good for the GoPro to have very powerful SD card, so I advise to get maybe 126 or 256 gigabyte SD card, so you can do endless footage materials. Let me now organize them because it's a little bit bad styling. This is the first time I touch a GoPro, by the way. I don't know how to work with them exactly, so don't judge me too harsh. This is how it looks. You can get this bundle for a price of 600 euro. But if you want to be cool, you can just buy the GoPro and separately each one of them. You know? Also something very interesting. You can purchase a special subscription called GoPro Plus, where it gives you unlimited cloud of storage where you can store your GoPro materials inside, and it gives you also a warranty that if your GoPro breaks, they will change it for you. Just for 5 euro a month. That's a very good price, but there is one condition. If they steal it or you lose it, no changing. Sorry. And also one more thing, if you break it, you need to pay a tax, for $70 tax, and they will change it for you. There is nothing free. Like if you don't do like this, you can just break it every day and they can change it for you every day. Why not? Okay. Now let's see what is the price of everything. Let's put the price tags. GoPro around $500. GoPro tripod around $50. Battery bundle around $40. A special attachment for head $25. Case $20. And special helmet attachment for $20. That's very expensive for a camera. But it's totally worth it because this GoPro is like no other. It has stabilization in 4 modes. That means if you're riding a bike on a very bumpy road, your camera, your frame, they won't shake, and you'll have the ultimate material. For all of the action lovers, this is amazing. Something that the GoPro 7 don't have. A lot of people are saying that GoPro 7 is very similar to this one, but trust me, there is a very big difference, especially in this mode. Now I'll turn it on for you. Now we turn it on. Yay! GoPro is on. You see your beautiful, friendly, user-friendly interface here. From here we can choose the different modes. Photo, video, and time-lapse. Time-lapse, video and photo. Here you can choose video mode and different modes. Here we have activity mode, we are right now, which is 4K 60 frames. That's the most amazing part about this GoPro. It gives you opportunity to film in 4K 60 frames. Then we have skate, which is 2.7K 120 frames. Let's go back there. That is something in the middle between 4K and 2K, 2.7K, which is also good and gives you opportunity to film in 120 frames or 60 frames, whatever you want. You have also wide angle and normal angle. You have the cinematic, which is 4K, 30 frames linear angle. You have the outdoor, which is 2.7K, 60 frames. Selfie mode, 4K, 24 frames. Travel mode, again 4K, 60 frames. And the standard, which is 2.7K, 60 frames. And you have slow motion, 1080p, 240 frames. 240 frames is something amazing. That means you get the ultimate slow motion. Here you can choose your settings. You have your mode, you have your video, you have your angle, hyper smooth. You have the hyper smooth. This is the stabilization I'm speaking about. It's right now on this mode. You have low light and everything. You can choose your settings and personalize it the way you want. If this, do you see this snail? The snail means slow motion. If you go on photo, you can make very nice selfies with the GoPro and now display you a very beautiful selfie with it. You just do like this. You just press it. Let's see it. Let's do it again. Here I prepared special footage that I will show at the end of the video, but if you're still here, please like and subscribe. Now I can show you something else that it has. It has voice command. You can say to him, GoPro, turn off. Did you see that? Isn't that cool? Now we'll turn it on again. When you slide in here, you see you have that rabbit, that's a rapid movement. You have here, that's the voice command that are on. You have local protection here. Here is your quick menu. And that's about it, I would say, pretty much. I will show you now footage on 4K, and there will be footage that makes difference between GoPro 7 and 8, and you will tell me which one do you think is better. That's the first time I'm touching a GoPro, and I think that I am pretty much used to it already. Thank you very much for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe, and for sure, buy GoPro. Yay!